Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Borrowell, a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. But before we get into the details of Borrowell's fees, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money quickly but couldn't get a loan from a traditional bank? Maybe you had an emergency car repair or you needed to pay for a medical bill. Or maybe you just wanted to consolidate some debt. If you've ever been in this situation, you know how frustrating it can be. Traditional banks can be very slow and bureaucratic. They often require a lot of paperwork and documentation, and they can take weeks or even months to approve a loan. But what if there was a better way? That's where Borrowell comes in. Borrowell is a different kind of lender. They're focused on making it easy for people to get the money they need when they need it. One of the things that sets Borrowell apart is that they don't charge any fees for using their services. That's right, no application fees, no annual fees, and no hidden fees. This can save you a lot of money, especially if you're borrowing a large amount of money. Benefits of Borrowell. In addition to being free, Borrowell also has a number of other benefits. Fast and easy, Borrowell's application process is quick and easy. You can get pre-approved for a loan in just a few minutes. Flexible repayment options, Borrowell offers a variety of repayment options to fit your budget. You can choose to make weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payments. No credit check required. Borrowell doesn't do a hard credit check when you apply for a loan. This means that your credit score won't be affected if you're approved. Competitive interest rates. Borrowell offers competitive interest rates, so you can be sure you're getting a good deal. How does Borrowell work? Borrowell uses a proprietary algorithm to assess your creditworthiness. This algorithm takes into account a number of factors, including your income, employment history, and credit score. Once you've been pre-approved for a loan, you can choose the amount you want to borrow and the repayment term. Once you've submitted your application, Borrowell will review it and make a decision. If you're approved, they'll transfer the money to your bank account. Is Borrowell right for you? Borrowell is a great option for people who need money quickly and easily. They're also a good choice for people who are looking for a lender that doesn't charge any fees. However, Borrowell is not for everyone. If you have a low credit score or if you're looking for a very large loan, you may not be able to qualify for a loan from Borrowell. Overall, Borrowell is a great option for people who need a quick and easy way to borrow money. They offer competitive interest rates, flexible repayment options, and no fees. If you're looking for a lender that can help you get the money you need, I encourage you to check out Borrowell. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.